To replace the ball valve, first shut off the air. When the air is off, you're going to take off the ball valve cable, and then you're going to release the air hose to the ball valve. From underneath, you're going to pull this tab, and that should release the ball valve. Once the tab is pulled, you can simply push down and remove the ball valve. In order to put a new one on, you would loosen up this clamp, put the new clamp on the new ball valve, and make sure that you have your gasket and that you apply some vacuum grease. Next, you're going to put it back underneath. You want to make sure that your ball valve is lined up correctly and that the arms are grabbing underneath the ball valve. And then you're going to put this hook back on to this pin, and then you clamp down. And you want to make sure that when you're looking at your ball valve that it's completely sealed up against the Delron cube. And then you can plug in your hose line again. And you can plug in your ball valve cable. Put the screw cap back on. The final step is to turn your air back on and test your ball valve. You can test your ball valve that you just reconnected by pressing on this actuator button on the side or on the valve setting on your TJIS screen.